Hey, what is up guys? Let's see how to use emojis on Google Chrome browser. You can use these emojis on any site when you open with Google Chrome. Before we get started, if you're new to this channel and still haven't subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button and the bell notification right next to it to get the latest updates of the videos as soon as we update. And by the way, if you're wondering how I got this dark theme on this Google search engine, I'll link the video in the description below on how to turn on the dark mode on Google. Do watch it. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. It's actually very easy to use emojis on Chrome browser. All you have to do is just right click on the mouse on area where you can enter text, and you can see the emojis option on the right click menu. If you don't see it, try updating the Chrome browser to latest version and check it out. It will surely show up after you update it to the latest version. And here it shows the emojis option. You can choose the different emojis from this drop down menu. You'll get all different kinds of emojis on this, and you can use these emojis during the chatting session online or entering any text in the websites. You can use these emojis. You can also open the emojis menu by clicking the keyboard shortcut, that is Windows plus period button. You can also use the symbols and emojis and different kinds of emojis. Everything is available on here. Well, that's it for this video. If you like this video, do give a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next video. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.